Step through the doorway, feel the sunshine glow. Vaulted ceilings lift you higher than you know. Living and dining where the moments begin. Every corner's built for family and friends. Quartz countertops shine, Vikings ready to flame. Custom cabinets calling your name. From the kitchen to the family room wide, this is the place where your dreams collide. Irma, where the desert skies remain. A house with a heart where love will sustain. Backyard pool where the laughter won't fade. Covered patio shade, memories made. Oh, life feels right on Irma Lane tonight. 3 bedrooms waiting, plus an office to spare. A loft media room with comfort everywhere. 2.5 baths, storage tucked away. Every little detail brightens up your day. Out the back door, kids can run and play. Green turf smiles in the Arizona way. Splash in the water, or rest by the side. This is the life where your dreams reside. Irma Lane, where the desert skies remain. A house with a heart where love will sustain. Backyard pool where the laughter won't fade. Covered patio shade, memories made. Oh, life feels right on Irma Lane tonight. Take a walk to the park where the mountains rise. Lake reflection shining under painted skies. Basketball bouncing, volleyball in the sand. Bird song whispers, it's the best